Hello, my name is Dennis Campbell and I'm the Director of the Center for International Legal Studies. I've been asked to say a few words about the Visiting Professorship Program and the Center and try to answer some of the questions you might have about how this program really works and what it is that the Center does. I thought the best way to do that would be to prepare this short video and try to deal with some issues that typically come up when I talk to people about the program. I suppose the first question anyone might have is, what is the Center for International Legal Studies? Who are they? Who are these folks? What do they do? Well, you see on the right side of the screen a list of characteristics of the Center. For starters, we are an Austrian non-profit entity. We're incorporated as such in Austria and are tax exempt in Austria. We've been based in Salzburg, Austria, and we've had nearly 50 years of programs. In addition, we have a sister corporation in the United States, which is a Colorado 501c3 corporation and is a registered charity in Colorado. We are an accredited CLE provider in several jurisdictions. And finally, we have observer status at UNCITRAL in Vienna. If you're looking at this video, you know already that we are connected with the Visiting Professorships program. We operate LLM programs for Boston University in Europe and for Warszawski University, which is a leading Polish law school. We have cooperation agreements with major universities in the United States, in Europe, and in China. And we've produced about 40 years of law publications, about 50 publications per year. The Center also operates a foreign direct investment moot competition, which typically draws 80 to 90 universities from throughout the world to the competition. For many years, we've operated an international internship program for law students who want to have short-term internships of 4, 6, 8 weeks overseas, outside their home jurisdictions. We also do a lot of fundraising for international education and training. And in connection with this specific program, nearly 1,000 teaching assignments have been made and carried out since 2005. I guess if you've been around for 45 years, as we have, you should have a lot of friends, and we do. One of our friends is Warszawski University in Warsaw. We have a very close relationship with Eötvös-Loránd University in Budapest and with Lixin University in Shanghai, China. We work closely with Boston University and Suffolk University, both in Boston. We work with King's College in London. And in this Visiting Professorships program, there are 57 universities in Eastern Europe, Russia, China, Vietnam, Myanmar, India, and South Africa that participate in the program. Why do we do it? It being the Visiting Professorships program. Well, there's a nice synergy here. Host universities throughout the world do want visiting professors, but typically they have little or no funding for those professors to come and teach. And the other fact of the matter is that in another life, most lawyers would be teachers. And many lawyers have told me, well, I'm a senior partner now. I wish I had a chance to do some teaching. But the fact is, adjunct appointments are very difficult to come by. And so, in a sense, experienced lawyers come to us to receive adjunct appointments at universities throughout the world. And the bottom line here is that our teachers, as well as the students, learn a great deal from this experience. So now you know a bit about the Center and about this program. The question then comes, well, how do I participate? It's relatively simple. Review the materials at the Senior Lawyers Net website. Talk with people who have done it, and there are a lot of people who have done it. You can get names from us if you contact us. You simply make an application online, a fairly simple process. There will be then a video interview if we believe that you would fit in the program. And if you're appointed to a position, you simply need to confirm it and to contact the host university for particular arrangements. And finally, and I say this not in jest but in seriousness, don't overthink it. You are an expert. The students will hold you to some degree of awe. And that curiosity they have in you as a practicing lawyer from another country will go a long way in making the class very successful. Keep in mind that you probably could teach this out of your back pocket. You don't need to prepare a detailed syllabus. No one's going to look over your shoulder and ask whether you're teaching the proper subject matter. These courses are elective courses, and the most important element of the courses is the interaction, the relationship between you, the teacher, and your students over a course of 2, 3, or 4 weeks. I hope you'll apply, and I look forward to being in touch with you in carrying out the program. Thank you.